Hey, welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life. So let's talk about making money from watching Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple Plus, Amazon, Hulu, whatever streaming services that you watch. There is a potential opportunity for you to make money. Now, this might sound like some type of scam or something that absolutely doesn't make sense in the real world, but let me quickly explain to you how you can do that. And so if you spend any time on YouTube, you're probably seeing a lot of movie review channels. They review movies, TV shows, series, whatever the case might be. That is the opportunity that I'm talking about. And so this is something that I do myself. I really love watching movies and shows and so forth. And I also love playing video games. So what do? I actually create content on it. And then here in this channel, I really love talking about finance, money, all these things I really find interesting. So I create content on that as well. So you might be seeing a pattern here. And so if there's things that you really enjoy doing, with this example, watching movies, watching shows on streaming services, or even going to the movie theater, then you might as well create content on it. So that way, the time that you are actually spending doing these things is not absolutely wasted, and you have a potential to actually turn this into something. Turn this into something that could generate revenues, even become a full-time income for some people, and be something that you really enjoy doing, but at the same time, you're creating assets out of it. So that's a real practical way where you could potentially make money from doing something that you enjoy and something you were going to do anyway. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my money videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Set up your business easily and legally with incredibly affordable rates at Incfile. Join more than 500,000 businesses and launch your business today. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.